Namaskar. There are many amazing things in this world, and today's amazing thing is statue. Not the game, but some famous statues of the world. So let's have a virtual tour. Starting from my home country, India, I will take you to Gujarat state where world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity, is situated. Inaugurated on 31st October 2018, the Statue of Unity depicts Indian freedom fighter and politician Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, one of the most prominent leader of Indian independence movement. Sardar Patel is highly respected for his leadership in uniting 552 states of India to form the single Union of India. The Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world. It is 182 meter tall, representing 182 seats in Gujarat Legislative Assembly. The statue was designed by Indian sculptor Ram V. Sutar and was constructed by Larsen and Toubro Constructions. Movement of collecting iron from every district of India and using it in the construction was a perfect tribute to the Iron Man of India. It is made by steel framing reinforced by concrete and brass coating bronze cladding. It took around 4 years to design and construct this site. The statue is located in Kevadia town in Gujarat. Scenic surroundings of Satpura and Vindhyachal hills along with Narmada river gives a feel of peace and motivation at the same time. Every effort is made by the government to develop this site into a world-class tourist center. Apart from the Statue of Unity, it have an exhibition hall, convention center and a museum. And of course, the leisure show which happens every night. There is also a valley of flowers, luxurious nature sanctuary, Narmada Tent City, which works a cherry on the cake. The expression, posture and pose justifies the dignity, confidence, iron will and kindness that Sardar Patel expelled. A gift from France to United States, officially named as Liberty, enlightening the world, the Statue of Liberty is a symbol of joint effort between France and the United States in respect of lasting friendship between both the nations. Situated on Liberty Island in New York Harbor, a Statue of Liberty depicts a woman holding a torch in her right hand and in her left hand holding a tablet bearing the adoption date of the Declaration of Independence, that is 4 July 1776. Being a statue of joint effort between France and the US, the statue was made in Paris, France, and the pedestal was made in US. The French sculptor Frederic Auguste Bartholdi and French civil engineer Alexander Gustave Eiffel worked on the statue, while American architect Richard Morris Hunt designed the pedestal. The statue was made in France and was shipped to the US, where it was assembled. And on 28 October 1886, President Grover Cleveland officially dedicated the Statue of Liberty to his nation. In 1984, the site was added to the UNESCO World Heritage Site. The torch that Statue of Liberty carries has underwent too many changes. Today, the original torch is on display in the Inspirational Gallery of the Statue of Liberty Museum. The Statue of Liberty provides a majestic welcome to those passing through Ellis Island, which is an immigration station. Standing 305 feet, including its pedestal, the Statue of Liberty remains an enduring symbol of freedom and democracy. The Motherland Calls is a towering statue that dominates the summit of Memekve Kurgan, a hill that overlooks the city of Volgograd in Russia. It is the centerpiece of a wider memorial complex that was made in memory of the Battle of Stalingrad, one of the bloodiest battles in the history of warfare. The construction of the memorial started in 1959 and was unveiled on 15 October 1967. It is the tallest statue of a woman in the world. To reach the memorial complex, you step up 200 steps, which represent 200 days of the battle. Other than the Motherland Calls statue, there are some other dynamic sculpture also. Likewise, the Eternal Flame and the Hall of Military Glory have an extra architectural excellence. The Motherland Call is a great 52-meter high statue of a winged female figure holding a sword aloft. The sword in her hand reveals that the Russia is armed and prepared to fight against the odd. The largest Art Deco style sculpture in the world is Christ the Redeemer statue located in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It is a colossal statue of Jesus Christ at the summit of Mount Corcovado. It stands 98 feet tall and its horizontally outstretched arms spanning 92 feet make it a cultural icon of Brazil. The statue's design is thanks to not one but a handful of different designers who crafted the statue over a period of years and was funded entirely by the Catholic community in Brazil. Under Brazilian engineer Silva Costa's supervision, construction began in 1926 and continued for 5 years. On October 12, 1931, the statue was unveiled to the world. The construction material was used to be taken through passenger train, but now the peak of Mount Corcovado is accessible by road and advanced railway network. Previously, in order to reach the statue itself, tourists climbed more than 200 steps. But in 2002, escalators and elevators were installed. It was a tough task to install such huge statue on the summit of mountain, but the faith for God made it possible. Today we can see the masterpiece statue of Jesus Christ stretching out his arms wide as if to welcome everyone with open arms. Hope you have liked our video. To see more, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. See you later. Till then, stay safe and be happy.